I believe that the research that we shared today around why projects excel and that great design is enabled by Lean is a continuation of our mission to really understand how are we doing as an industry and to provide some benchmarks both for owners, designers, and contractors to really understand, are we moving the needle as an industry on transforming the built environment?
The research is important to me on two different levels. The first is that some simple questions were asked to understand what really drives designers, which is very powerful to me. And that the second aspect of the research is understanding how those drivers might be supported by things that are associated with Lean.
So we all have clients engaged in our design and construction process at some level, but with a higher Lean intensity project, there's really a more strategic partnership that is created, and that produces a better outcome.
And this research is really pivotal to what we're trying to do in the knowledge community. What we see as critical is to seek progressive methods of project delivery that can achieve both enhanced owner outcomes, but also significant improvements in design quality and design recognition.
If I had a hope for what would happen with this, is that we architects have a clearer path to bringing service to humanity and design excellence.
I hope that people will take this survey and really do a deep dive into the outcomes from it and realize that there are tools and techniques out there that can help them produce better outcomes for their projects, that we need to raise the bar of the typical project to a best project level.
The thing we need as a knowledge community and what the profession needs in general is to be able to prove to the industry, especially to owners, that enhanced Lean processes, enhanced methods of collaboration, elevated levels of communication, in fact create measurable, identifiable outcomes.
How can you move content and information further into the design phase to where we're making better decisions, and specifically the alignment of cost and design, and then the aspect of target value design and how that can be applied once a cost is identified for a team that is a collaborative team, is able to take that information through the design phase and really reach some outcomes that add value to the project and to the client.